Your front door is more than just a design choice. It's a shield. It protects your home against weather, against drafts, against bugs, and yes, even against break-ins. But here's what most folks don't realize. Even the nicest doors will fail if they aren't properly installed. A poor installation leaves gaps, misaligns the frame, and causes seals to fail. That means uncomfortable drafts, higher energy bills, and unwanted pests sneaking in. And when security hardware doesn't line up right, you're left vulnerable when it matters most. That's why a pro installation matters. It's not just about hanging a slab on some hinges. It's about precise measurements, airtight sealing, strong anchoring, and a clean, flush finish. No squeaks, no drafts, no vulnerabilities. At Window Depot of Raleigh, we take door replacement seriously. Our expert crews use precise measurements, pro-grade techniques, and airtight seals to ensure your entry door is secure, efficient, and engineered to last. That's why homeowners across Apex, North Carolina trust us with their door replacement projects. We do the job right the first time, so you can feel confident every time that door closes behind you. And of course, a proper door replacement keeps your door looking as good as it performs. Clean lines, flush fit, and a picture-perfect curb appeal. So if you're serious about keeping your Apex, North Carolina home safe and sealed, contact Window Depot of Raleigh today.